With just a simple apple and a little patience, you can propagate a beautiful rose branch. No fancy rooting hormones, no complicated tools needed, just a love for gardening and a desire to see new life bloom. If you enjoy learning simple and natural ways to care for your garden, please consider subscribing to the HH Beauty Garden channel for more great tips, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Step 1. Choosing a healthy branch. First, let's select the perfect rose branch. Look for one that's not too young and not too old. It should be a vibrant green with no signs of pests or disease. Using a sharp pair of scissors, cut a piece of the stem about 8 centimeters long. Make sure there's at least one tiny dormant bud on the branch. This is where your new sprout will emerge. Now gently remove all the leaves to expose these buds, taking care not to damage them. Step 2. Preparing the cutting. This next step is small but very important. At the base of the branch, use a small knife to carefully score a circle around the bark. Peel off the outer layer to expose the wood underneath. This helps the branch focus its energy on growing roots, right where you want them. Now, for our first natural solution. Take 3 cloves of garlic, peel them, and chop them finely. Garlic is a fantastic natural antibacterial agent for plants. Put the chopped garlic in a cup. Add about 50 milliliters of filtered water and stir well. Dip the base of your rose stem into this garlic water and let it sit for 10 minutes. This will kill fungus and bacteria, giving your cutting a much better chance of survival. Step 3. Creating a natural rooting stimulant. And here is our special ingredient, apple peel. Most people throw this away, but it's full of minerals and enzymes that plants love. Peel a fresh apple, and you can enjoy the rest. Chop the peel into small pieces. Next, take 1 ripe banana peel. Chop it up too. Banana peels are rich in potassium and other minerals. Mix the apple peel and banana peel in a clean cup. Add about 300 milliliters of filtered water, stir, and let it sit for 5 minutes. This creates a simple but powerful biocompost solution. Step 4. Preparing the growing medium. For our growing medium, we'll use dry moss. It holds moisture beautifully. Now combine the two solutions you've made, the apple banana peel water and the garlic water. Filter out any solids and mix the liquids together. Drop the dry moss into this mixture and let it soak. This not only moistens the moss, but also infuses it with natural stimulants. Step 5. Planting the cutting. Take a clean plastic cup and fill it with the nutrient-soaked moss. Make a small hole in the center and place your rose stem inside. Gently press the moss around it to hold it upright. Now we'll create a humid environment. Cover the cup with a plastic bag and wrap the bottom tightly with tape. This mini greenhouse is perfect for root development. Step 6. The waiting game. Place your cup in a cool spot, away from direct sunlight. Now we wait. After about 5 days, you'll see a miracle. The moss will still be moist and tiny white roots will start to appear. Soon after, little green sprouts will open like promises of new life. This is the reward for your patience and the power of simple natural materials. Step 7. Transplanting and care. Once the roots are strong and healthy, it's time to move your rose cutting into a new pot. Use a light and airy soil mix, such as coconut fiber or potting soil. Place the plant gently in the pot, being careful not to damage the roots. Water lightly, just enough to keep the soil moist but not soggy. Keep the pot in a bright spot with indirect light so the young rose can adapt. And just like that, You've propagated a rose branch naturally and sustainably. It's simple, it's effective, and it shows the beauty of gardening with love and patience. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the HH Beauty Garden channel for more gardening tips. We'll see you in the next video.